game day. Cymru against Turkey. What a huge game. We're in Bow Street at the pub called the Reader Pennai. The atmosphere is building. Let's see how we go.
Take me home. Oh, when Wales play away, it's like playing at home. When Wales play away, we are playing at home. When Wales play away, it's like playing at home. So please come take me home. And now
Oh, unbelievable. Isn't it unbelievable? That was so stressful.
My heart's still going now. I still can't get over it. Unbelievable.
And when Wales play away, it's like playing at home. And when Wales play away, we are playing at home.
Was it ever in doubt tonight?
No, I don't think it was. I mean, I predicted a 2-1 to Wales, and they got a 2-0, so very happy with that result.
Let's take you back, right? Let's take you back to that Ramsey goal. He'd already missed a couple. Talk us through that moment as he put Wales 1 up.
But when he brought that down, you knew he was back of the net, wasn't it? You know, he'd had a couple before, fluffed them, but he knew that one was in, and he was just scenes. Nuts. I got a fat lip from celebrating. I'd have put my house on him scoring.
Nobody thought he was going to miss at all. Nobody thought he was going to miss.
I think that was the general feeling, wasn't it? It was like, this is just going to ripple, we'll get a celebration.
That'll be the goal, that'll be it, we'll be through, but that made him more nervous towards the end then.
And settees, and patios, and decking, and gazebos.
How are you feeling towards the end? Was it just starting to get a little bit...
It's nerve-wracking, wasn't it? But
Horrible.
done now, so.
Horrible.
At our homes.
And Connor Roberts as well to score. West Wales is very happy tonight.
What a man. I love you, Con.
Wales! Goal! Madrid!
What a squad, what a team, and what support, you know. So, what more could you say?
We hang them up.
It's going to be a big day on Sunday, I guess. There's a few more big days for Barry the landlord, isn't there?
I think there is, yeah. Barry needs to make his money back on the big screen.
Wales play